The Durand looks complicated at first glance, but with little practice, you'll soon come to appreciate its reliability to extract even the most delicate and degraded of corks. The mechanics combine the designs of the two-pronged ah-so and the classic wormed waiter's friend. This provides both inward and outward clamping force on the cork itself, removing the need for structural integrity of the cork to reliably extract it. The first step is to insert the worm of the Durand into the middle of the cork as carefully as possible to avoid pushing it into the bottle. Next, take the ah-so portion of the Durand and insert the prongs on either side of the cork and at a 90-degree angle to the worm's handle. Sometimes it helps to gently rock the prongs back and forth while exerting downward force to fully seat the ah-so. To extract the cork, pull up on the worm's handle, which will lock against the ah-so's handle to have both parts of the Durand work together to put even extracting force on the cork. It may also help to twist as you pull, depending how tight the cork is. When the cork is almost fully out of the bottle, be careful not to lose the ah-so's grip on the cork by pinching the ends of the prongs and gently remove the remainder of the cork from the bottle. Remove the cork from the worm and present it to the host.